Hello and welcome to Work Smart Essentials. In this video, we will look into SUMIFS and COUNTIFs. So what is it? It is just an advanced version of SUMIF and COUNTIF. In SUMIF and COUNTIF, we had the things in one condition. Here we can have multiple conditions. So let's jump in and check out what it is. So we have the data available, that is employee, department, month, sales amount and hours worked. Now, what do we need? We need to check for marketing department what are the number of employees in January month. So we have two conditions. First is marketing department and second is January month. So let's see how we will do it. So before that, in case you have not watched our previous video on SUMIF and COUNTIF, please do check it out. We have the link available in the description. So let's start. Equal to count ifs. I'm sorry, count ifs. Okay. So first criteria range. First criteria range is department. Next, what is the criteria? Criteria is marketing. Next, what is the second criteria? Second criteria is month. And what is the criteria? It is January month. Okay. Please note that this formula will not work if we have only one condition, that is departments. That will only work if it is count if. Since we have two conditions here, so this formula should work. Let's see. 3. 3 is the answer that we are getting. Okay. So let's see what we will just place the filter to check it out. Marketing department and January month. So yeah, we have three things, three data set lines, right? So our answer is correct. Let's do it again. Count ifs. First criteria again, department. What is the criteria? Criteria is marketing. Next. Second criteria, month, comma. Here, Feb is our criteria. Again, enter. Once again, count ifs. First criteria, once again, department, marketing. Then, second criteria range, month. Second criteria is March. And we'll close our formula. So I hope you are clear with count ifs. Same way, let's just see what is sum ifs. See, it is a bit different from sum if in the terms of application. Obviously, the same criteria is there. I mean, the sum if will work on one criteria and sum ifs will work on multiple criteria. So let's see how do we apply that. Let's start on total sales. Sum ifs. Let's start. What is the sum range? First, we will have to give them the set where addition needs to be done. We need to add the D column, that is the sales amount, to get the total sales. Okay. How do we want to add it? We want to add it on based on department. That is first criteria range is our department. The criteria is here marketing. What is the second criteria? Month. Again, what is the criteria? January. Again, this formula will not work if only one criteria is provided, and we can provide multiple criteria, not only two. Here in our example, there are two criteria, but we can have further more criteria available. Okay, so let's see what's coming up. It is 49,000. Okay, let's just check by placing the filters. Marketing and Jan month. What is the sales? Sales is 49,000. So exactly what we have got in our formula. So our formula is working fine. SUMIFS, again, sum range. First criteria is department. What is the criteria? Criteria is here in marketing. Second criteria, month. And what is the criteria? Feb. Okay. Now here it is. Same way. Sum ifs. Sum range is it is sales column, sales amount. Criteria range. Department. What is the criteria? Marketing. Second criteria range. Month and March. So this is how we work. Now let's just do the total hours worked, or in fact you can practice this out because the sum range will just shift. Other than that, the criteria remains the same. So I hope you are clear with sum ifs and the count ifs. So let's just meet up in next video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.